Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your Mac runs a supported Mac OS and is on the same network or has VPN access. This matters because remote protocols need connectivity. Once done, enable Remote Desktop on the Windows PC or install Microsoft Remote Desktop from the App Store on your Mac. Make sure you have the PC's IP address, account username, and password. Those credentials let you authenticate. Now open Microsoft Remote Desktop and prepare to create a new connection entry. You now build the connection profile. Click Add PC and enter the PC name or IP, then choose or add the user account. This saves time and avoids repeated password entry. Adjust display resolution and session color depth so performance matches your network speed. Lower settings reduce lag. Configure redirection options, clipboard, printer, or folder to transfer files and clipboard content. This is why remote work feels integrated. Once configured, save the profile and test a quick connection to verify encryption. You connect by selecting the saved profile and clicking Start. Observe the security prompt and accept the certificate only when it matches the PC. Once inside, confirm sound, file transfer, and input responsiveness. Make display tweaks if latency is noticeable. If you can't connect, first verify the PC's remote desktop setting and firewall exceptions, then ping the IP to test reachability. If still blocked, ensure VPN or router port forwarding is correct, and re-enter the username and password. Often a simple credential.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.